Hey everyone, JNL here, and I wanted to give you a quick update on my website. I want you guys to go to jennifernicoli.com. You're going to see we've added some new things here. Of course, we have the Fashion Wars where you can sign up right there through Fashion Wars to enter to win all my favorite fashion finds, Makeup Wars. We also have the Skinny Jean Challenge going on strong. SAG-AFTRA, I'm going to come back to this. But we have a new item here called PR List. Now, I get tons of products shipped to me on the daily. So if you're a major brand, look at this photo. Isn't this fun? I'm like swimming in swag. If you're a major brand, business, corporation, and if you would like me to unbox your swag, whether it's makeup, hair care, skin care, fashion finds, shoes, purses, anything dealing with the modern day woman, what embodies a woman, what she loves, you can send it. We're going to give you the address and all the info here. You have it right here. And a little bit more information about where I am going to be sharing this with you. Now, I just want to show you my social media impact. I combined my Instagram, Facebook, just one of my Facebooks, Twitter, and also YouTube, and it gave me a score of close to 300,000. That's why you should send your product to me to review, because when I review it, your product is going to be seen and heard. And look at this. We got the Wet n Wild. This hasn't even hit the market yet. I'll be unboxing this and doing a fire dragon and ice dragon look, which I'm so excited about. So that is really cool that you could actually get an impact score. So if you guys, I've even added LinkedIn. You need Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So guys, make sure you check this out. And if there's any products you would like for me to review, please let me know. Or you have any questions as well. All right, guys. So now we're going to be jumping to SAG-AFTRA. I've been talking about this, and it's actually on my website. If you go back here, there's going to be a little bit of a menu item there called SAG-AFTRA. I'm going to tell you about this. And this is really cool because this is actually a form that casting directors, producers, filmmakers, directors, or a production company looking to cast me in any major TV, movie, film, on-air, or radio talk show that I am now a SAG-AFTRA member. I was TAF Heart Lead in 2012, which was 6 years ago. Can't believe it. And I recently received my SAG-AFTRA card. So let me tell you a little bit about this and why this is important. SAG-AFTRA members are the faces and voices that entertain and inform America and the world. Yes, I love fitness, but it's just one thing that I do. You know, show us your card. Join thousands of SAG-AFTRA members from across the country sharing their union pride. So this is really cool. It really protects the artist. Residuals tracker, so you're making sure you get paid on time. Pay dues online, unclaimed residuals. So if you're not getting paid from a project you did, this is really good. So if you guys have any questions on how to join, you can always reach out to me. Also, guys, I want to share with you what we did recently here at JNLYouTube.com. Again, my subscribers are there. I did my first episode in a while for the JNL show, and this is really cool because I now can I can Skype anyone.
And the next photo shoot that you already indicated,
and there's Ronson. We did this.
Oh my God! Well, you know, with our last photo shoots, they've just made such a success.
Wow! And you know what I love? The microphone and the camera looks so good. Why? Because I upgraded the webcam and the microphone, guys. Because I want you guys to have a really good viewer experience. So when I'm unboxing this, or doing product reviews, or doing my show, you're gonna get the best of the best of the best. So that's really it. I wanted to kind of give you the run through of what was going on. Make sure you also just go to Fashion Wars and you enter to win, because we're doing some big giveaways. I'm going to be revealing what we're giving away tomorrow. And there's a Makeup Wars going down on Friday, guys. So I'm here. I'm here to share the love, spread the swag, because I'm swimming in swagoo sauce. And I want you just to stay positive, because I'm always rooting for you guys. If you'd like to be a guest on my show, please reach out to me, because we're going to be filming on the daily as much as I can. All right.
Website.
So love you guys. Have a great night.
And solid headshot. As you guys know, I'm really excited to announce that I have my SAG-AFTRA card. That I joined the union. And
there's Ronson. Love him. We're going to be shooting very soon.
A movie featuring Mark Wahlberg and Dwayne The Rock Johnson, directed by Michael Bay, and it was called Pain and Gain, filmed here in Miami. And from there, I was
great, guys. All right, I could be here all night. Just know that I love you guys. Stay positive, and I believe in you.
So I just had to fill out the paperwork, which I finally did.